Thank you, Lord, for your forgiveness. Thank you, Lord, for cleansing us with the blood of the Lamb. Sa oras na ito, Panginoon, muli binubuksan namin ang aming puso. Panginoong Jesus, we invite you, come into our lives, come into our hearts. Make us the kind of person you want us to be. Write our names in the book of life in heaven. And let salvation be real. Let redemption be real in our lives. And not only, Lord, that you will save us in our spirit, but you will save us in our bodies. Whoever is sick right now, whoever is in pain, whoever has a broken bone, Lord, restore them. Panginoon, dumaloy ang iyong himala ng kagalingan. Sa sino man ang nangangailangan, ikaw na nanonood sa iyong tahanan, your muscles, your bones, your liver, your kidney, your heart, your brain, your blood, your lungs, might have been broken, might have been sick, but today, God is touching you. God is healing you. Yes. Allow God to touch you and heal you right now. And let your faith rise up. Hayaan mong tumaas ang iyong pananampalataya. At maniwala ka na ang Diyos ay kaya kang pagalingin. Ano man ang sitwasyon mo, ano man ang sakit mo, ano man ang karamdaman mo, ang Diyos ay Diyos ng himala. Kaya kanyang ibangon, kaya kanyang pagalingin, kaya kanyang gawan ng himala. By His stripes, you are healed. Receive the healing touch of God in your body, in your heart, in your soul, in your spirit. It is not only that God is touching you physically, but God is touching you emotionally. He is healing the pain of a broken heart. Receive the peace of God. Receive the love of God that overcomes the sin in your life.